Are you feeling lost or stuck in your engineering career? You have the sense that something's not right or something's not aligned, or you're not in a great space, but you're not sure where to go next? Well, you're not alone. This is a very common place. You probably are suffering from a lack of career clarity. And so we're going to talk about what career clarity is and how to find it in this video. Let's jump in. Hey, my name is Jeff Perry, leadership and career development expert, author of The Intentional Engineer and The Intentional Career Guide to Professional Networking. And today we're talking about career clarity, which, by the way, I have a whole chapter on career clarity. It's chapter 5. Would love to have you get a copy of the book and read it and dive into some of those exercises. But we'll give you a little bit of taste and flavor here. Now, I work with a lot of engineers, and a lot of them struggle with career clarity for a few different reasons. First of all, engineers are extremely versatile in terms of they can take their career so many different directions, and that's fabulous. That's great. They have a lot of options in front of them, but that often creates stress and anxiety and a lot of things that they're considering, which almost gets them into a state of analysis paralysis when they're considering where they take their careers. And so that's a blessing and a curse, and engineers need to deal with that. I also talk to a lot of people that are dealing with lack of satisfaction or lack of purpose or really engagement in their work. So they know that they want to make a change, but they're not exactly sure what would do that, which is kind of feeding that lack of clarity in there. And so what we try and do is open up and expand their mind and their mindset around how they approach this to help them move forward with intention. And so if you're in this space and you're dealing with a lack of career clarity, let me give you 3 things that you might consider to do to help break out of this and move through some of these things. Number 1 is to do some self-reflection. I love journaling, and I highly suggest you just spend some time journaling and writing about the things that you have really enjoyed, about different phases of your life and your work thus far, things you really enjoy, things that you don't enjoy. Look at the patterns, the things. And nowadays, you might type that out, put that into a generative AI platform and see if it can help you notice some patterns and give you recommendations based on some of those things. But you're really trying to figure out what excites you. What are those things that light you up and get you excited, and where you do some of your best work. Number 2 is take action to test new things. So you don't have data on a lot of things that you haven't tried yet. So these might just be side projects that you do at work or in your community. If you want to try out leadership, then you might say, hey, can I mentor some interns or something like that, or some younger engineers? If that's something that you want to try in terms of a new skill or technology that you want to try, raise your hand and say, hey, I'd be willing to take on that new project and go through the process to learn that new thing. And go to conferences and take courses and other things that continue to help you grow and develop and try new things and see if you enjoy them. And third is don't feel like you need to figure out all of this alone. Mentorship and getting coaching and other things, finding people who will support you, is a huge factor that can help you break out of your own mind. So talking to people about their own experiences, maybe paying for a coach. Maybe I'm biased about that because I do a lot of this work to help people get some more career clarity. But that can be huge to get that third-party support to help you and guide you through the process to find clarity. The challenge is a lot of people try and do this alone, and that keeps them in the same loop, stuck in their own head and stuck in that analysis paralysis, and then not taking action, move forward with a more intentional pathway. If you want a specific resource to help you find some more career clarity, I actually have a free resource called the Engineer's Career Clarity Checklist, which you can grab at www.engineeringcareeraccelerator.com/career-clarity. We'll make sure to link that below and in the description. And invite you to go grab that. And again, there's a whole chapter on it in my book as well, The Intentional Engineer. So I hope this is helpful for you. Make sure to do some reflection, have some conversations, take some action, and get some help and support to help you break out of that analysis paralysis and get some clarity to have a clear path for where you want to take your career in the future. Make sure to like and subscribe the video so you can be notified when new video and content comes out, always creating new things for you. And we hope to see you on the next video. If you need some extra help and support, or maybe might consider joining one of my intensive programs like the Engineering Career Accelerator, don't hesitate to reach out to me on LinkedIn or email. Thanks so much, and we'll see you soon.